Hello, welcome back to video 2 on our camping theme. In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 fun art projects and fine motor activities that you can do with your children with the theme of camping. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hey guys, welcome back to video 2 on our camping theme. In this video, I have 2 activities to show you, and the first one is a hiking boot that you practice fine motor skills with. This hiking boot you put together with toilet paper tubes and then draw some laces on the front. And then your children will take rubber bands and practice putting them over the toilet paper tubes for fine motor practice. The next project is a cardboard canoe. Now for this one, I cut out different shapes out of cardboard ahead of time, and then you will give the children the different shapes and let them create their own canoe with the different shapes. This will let them be really creative. That was 2 more of my ideas for the camping theme. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.